Hey folks, we're live at 8:29, battling for Andrew's cool-looking Star Wars collector's book, year by year. I got 25 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random, ideally, to find our winner. Copy here, paste here. 25 spots. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5. Snake eyes, that's no good. I'm rolling again. We got a 7, which means we're in great shape. We're going to get right to it. Good luck, guys. Mark, round 1. Matthew, 2. Mark, 3. Gary, 4. Gary, 5. Troy, 6. And our winner is Gary Como, winner at number 18. Congrats, Gary. Here's the verification code. USIHRR. Gary in at number 18 is the winner. Congrats, sir. I'm done at 8:30 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results. And our winner, Gary in at 19. Congratulations. See you guys. Thanks.